Hey guys, what's up? It's AppleCritics from AppleCritics.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some Siri tips and tricks that you didn't know about. So there's going to be a lot of great Siri tips and tricks, and if you don't already know, Siri is just very useful, but with these tips and tricks that I show in this video, it will increase the usability and your productivity with Siri. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So the first thing that we can do is ask Siri what the battery percentage is. Hey Siri, what's the battery percentage?
Your iPhone is at 50%.
So you can see that it did work and it's saying what the battery percentage is. And you're probably wondering why you would ask this. Well, I'm going to ask it because if you have your AirPods in and then your iPhone's in another room, or if you want to just swipe down and check right there. So it's just better to just ask Siri and more convenient. Now, the next thing that you can do with Siri would be the reminders. So what I can do with the reminders is say, remind me every day at 10 a.m.
What do you want to be reminded about?
to film a video.
Okay, added.
So now there's a reminder every day to film a video just like that. Now we can also delete this reminder.
What do you want to change it to?
Delete this reminder.
Delete to film a video?
Yes.
Okay, it's gone.
Now Siri does know a lot of languages, so what we can do is ask Siri, what languages can you translate to?
I can translate from English into Arabic, Brazilian Portuguese, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Mandarin Chinese, Russian, and Spanish.
So that is what you can do with Siri. So now we can get Siri to translate a phrase. Translate hello, how are you to French.
Bonjour, comment vas-tu? Bonjour, comment vas-tu?
And you can see that we have the button to play it, and then you can see the direct translation. So I said, hello, how are you? And then it gives the French translation right there. Now Siri can also play local radio stations, which is a great feature. So what I can say is, play the Q105 radio station. So you can see that the radio station is playing, but I cannot turn up the volume. So it says live, and we can just press stop. Now Siri can set alarms, so I could say, set an alarm for 5 p.m.
Okay, your 5 p.m. alarm is on.
Now if we actually go into my alarms, you can see that I have a lot of alarms, so instead of deleting one by one, what I can do is actually ask Siri to do the job. Siri, delete all my alarms.
Are you sure you want to delete all your alarms?
No.
Okay, I won't delete your alarms.
So you can see it's just that simple if you want to delete all of your alarms. Now, if we say certain parts of our device, it'll open it up directly in settings. So all I have to do is just say, display and brightness. Accessibility. Low data mode. And you can see it's just that simple, and it went straight on into it. Now Siri can also translate acronyms, so what I can say is, what does ROFL mean?
Possible interpretations of ROFL include rolling on the floor laughing.
So you can see that it does recognize acronyms with Siri. So those are some of the hidden tips and tricks you can use with Siri to increase its productivity in your daily tasks with your iPhone. There's a lot of great features with Siri, and especially with iOS 13, it only is getting better. So once again, thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to subscribe to the next video. Please smash the like button down below so you watched. Also be sure to check out all the other videos on my channel. Be sure to subscribe so you can get some more great content made by me. And like my Facebook fan page at facebook.com/AppleCritics. Follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/AppleCritics. And on Instagram at AppleCritics. Once again, thanks for watching.